Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from the Delta Exchange app. Delta Exchange is a crypto like Bitcoin and Ethereum. After trading or earning profits, you may want to withdraw your funds from the platform. And on the Delta Exchange app, withdrawals are usually made in the cryptocurrency to your external crypto wallet. The process is simple but requires careful entry of your wallet address to ensure the funds are sent correctly. So first open to your Delta Exchange app, and over here make sure you log in with using your registered email and password, and you can also use your Face ID. And you need to go to your portfolio on the bottom right. Under this portfolio, select to this balances. Under this balance we can find to this select withdraw, and in order to withdraw you need a complete KYC verification of your identity and make sure you have already completed your verification. And you can also choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw and enter the withdrawal details, wallet address, wallet withdrawal amount, how much you want to withdraw, and the external crypto wallet where you want to send the funds. And always double check the wallet address because crypto transaction cannot be reversed once sent. And that is it. Now after confirming all the details, you can submit or confirm the withdrawal, and that is it. And ensure your KYC verification is completed. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.